Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'd like to show you one of my favorite tactical flashlight that we sell on our website. In the box we have a USB cable, and this is the torch. It's got the zoom in and zoom out function by sliding the top of the torch, a micro USB port to recharge the battery inside, aluminium build, so we have high, low and off. If you click and hold, strobe. As you can see, we have a green light on the bottom. It will tell you when the battery needs to be recharged, when it goes red. Off. Let's look at the battery inside. The battery type is a 26650 and is 2600 milliamp. It can be recharged separately if you got a separate charger, or just using the micro USB port here. Very nice build, aluminium. Let's check the weight. (294 grams). Very solid. Nice to hold in your hands, and you can slide just with one finger. Very nice. As usual, you can find this torch on our website at lightconcept.co.uk, and just look at the description below, and see you soon on the next video. Bye.